So here's how we can export a video from Capcut to YouTube on iPad. So if you are working with a Capcut project, what you need to do at first in order to export it properly is that you are inside of the proper mode or aspect ratio. So at the bottom, you can see that if we don't have any clip selected, you can scroll through the options and find the aspect ratio. And right now, my videos might be set to TikTok or Instagram, but you have a little YouTube icon right there. So generally speaking, you should be in a 16:9 aspect ratio for the best result on YouTube. If you want to upload to YouTube Short, then you go by 9:16, which is the TikTok icon right there. But that is the first thing. So as we have the video finished, we can click on the export at the top right corner. But before we do, it would be a good idea to check out the export options, which are right there next to it. And of course, for YouTube videos, the best quality is the best option, of course. So just make sure it's not at 1080p and you just slide it to 4K right there, right? So you can choose some options for better quality, right? We also have like the frame rate and code rate. So play with the options if you want to enhance your quality. But once the video is exported, you can go to the YouTube app and then you tap on the plus button below, tap on video, and the newly video that has been exported should be right there, and you should have the ability to upload it to the YouTube platform right away. So that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to just make it work for yourself. Hit a thumbs up and a subscribe if it did, and I'll catch you later in the future tutorials.